Hi friends, welcome to ID's Life. In today's video, we'll be covering the top 10 features of MG Aster, which are the first in segment features or the best in class segment features. So based on a lot of requests, we have added this video in English. So let's move on to the video. When you look at the top 10 features, the first two features are mostly with regards to unlocking the car and with regards to the key. So with the key, you actually have a physical key within the smart key that you have. When you click on this button that is found in this key, you'll be able to take out a physical key, which is like a normal key. So using this key, you'll be able to unlock the car even in case of when your smart key is not working, or even when it's like down with battery. So you have an key hole here where you can insert this key and unlock your car in case your smart key is not working. So that is one of the features. And the next feature is that say for example there are 5 people traveling in this car, and you want to lock the car and you needn't wait for all the 5 people to get down from the car. So say for example now I am unlocking the car and letting all the doors open. So now I have let all the doors open here, and what I do is like I just close the driver's side door and click on the lock button here. So now you hear a beep sound and the car gets locked, and when all the other 4 doors are closed, so I close all the 4 doors and here the light gets blinked, so it says like it's again locked. So now I try to open the car and it doesn't open. So this is how we enable this one. So this is a feature, I'm not very sure if this is found in other vehicles as well, but this is a very good feature that is found in Aster. And the next feature is the ADAS feature, which is an autonomous driving assistant level 2 feature, which is found in Aster, and this is the first in segment feature that is found in MG Aster as well. So ADAS features 10 different driving adaptive techniques, so which includes lane assist, collision assistance, auto braking based on the previous vehicle speed and all those things. But ADAS might not be a very good feature for Indian roads where we don't follow a strict lane kind of traffic rules. Fourth feature is like MG Aster, the AI assistant in itself. So this is a feature that is not found in any of the vehicles of this segment, and this is a feature that requires a lot of engineering and a lot of research behind it. And I'm not very sure on what was the amount of time that was spent behind this research, but when you look at the adaptiveness of MG Aster and its response to your voice command, it's like pretty good when compared with Amazon Echo or like Google Assistant, which involves a lot of training on a day-to-day basis. So MG Aster, the AI assistant, will be able to guide you on speed breakers, and also it will be able to tell you about the police booths that are ahead and the road curves that are ahead. This is a very good feature that is found in association with the Google Maps. The fifth and sixth feature are mostly used in terms of monitoring when you hand over your vehicle to someone else. The fifth feature is active speed limit, where you can set a speed limit to your vehicle. So you would have heard for like T-board vehicles where you can set a speed limit of 80 km per hour, and the driver is allowed to drive only 80 kilometers. So you have a similar feature with the active speed limit in Aster, where you can set the minimum speed limit of 30 and maximum speed limit goes up to 200. So this feature will be very useful for people who are learning car for the first time, and you'll be able to monitor the speed. And the next feature is like you can set a radius for your car. So say for example you are handing over a car to your friend or like someone you know, and they want to drive the vehicle, you can set a radius of like 5 kilometers, minimum of 5 kilometers, and maximum goes up to 250 kilometers of radius from your point where you're setting the radius to. So it will also help you monitor where your vehicle is, and beyond that radius your car doesn't go. So you'll be able to track your car and control on how long does it travel. The seventh feature is the hill descent control. So hill descent control gives a good control over the vehicle, and it monitors your braking features while you are descending an hill, so or a mountain. So this gives a very good control over the vehicle, and it applies brake as and when required. So on the next feature, that is the 8th feature, is the heated ORVM. So heated ORVM gives a good visibility in terms of like all the climatic changes or the weather conditions, and gives a good visibility for us to drive the vehicle. Last 2 features, the 9th and 10th feature, are mostly with respect to the iSmart app. So with the iSmart app, you will be able to unlock your car even from remote locations. So say for example, you are staying far away and you have left some things in your car and you have the key with you, and you can lock and unlock your car to get for your people at home to take the things from your car. So that is one feature, and you will also be able to unlock the car and drive the car even in case you have missed the keys. So this is one feature. So the last or the theft control feature is that even if your physical key is lost, you can disable the physical key just like as you disable your physical debit or credit cards. So what happens is, like, say you have lost your physical key and you don't want anyone to use the physical key to unlock your car, you can actually disable the physical key in the digital key settings in your iSmart app. So this allows your physical key to be disabled temporarily until you resume that operation. So this is a very good feature, and it allows the anti-theft of the car. And this can also be monitored. In case of theft, your car location can also be monitored. So all these features are possible with the connected car features with your mobile phone. And I hope this video will be helpful for you. And these are the top 10 features of MG Aster which are not available, or like I'm not aware if it's available in other features of the car, but I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do like this video and share this with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.